Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to make this quick update as a correction of my previous video, the video that I made today for the Bitcoin technical analysis. If you saw my past video, you've seen that I just draw this triangle. I was improvising. I didn't give it a lot of thought. I was just doing it right there when I was recording the video. So after that, I did a proper analysis, and my targets for the retracement are different. Well, what I did before is draw this triangle, which makes sense to go up this the length of this triangle, and the target is at $6,000. It makes sense, but again, it doesn't have to happen. In the end, what the hell do we know? But if it does get there, I would still expect a correction, and using the Fibonacci retracement tool, if we anticipate that we're going to get to 6,000 during this breakout, the retracement after that, it's more likely to be at the 23.6 Fibonacci line, or at the 38.2 Fibonacci line, or at the 61.8 Fibonacci line, not at the 50% like I said before. And the reason is because these lines coincide with also these important Fibonacci lines that are set here since the beginning of times. I'm gonna delete these Fibonacci lines now, the black ones, because I put already the blue lines that I put here are the retracement targets, and all of them are in both the red Fibonacci lines, which come from the very past, and the new Fibonacci lines from the current retracement. So it's like double support. Yeah, it wouldn't make a lot of sense to stop right here in the middle, because there's no Fibonacci from before. There's no support or resistance, obviously, because this is an all-time high, so there's no support from the past here either, and this breakout is not stopping anywhere, so there's nothing to support us there in the middle of, in mid-air. So the obvious targets for retracement would be at 5,600. The next one down, it's 5,327. This is more or less, of course, and if not, the previous top up at 5,000. I don't think we would go any lower than that, and I think the most likely ones, the ones with more probability are this or this, at 5,600 or 5,400. And my target for top is 6,000. Not for the top, but for the first big correction. And so far, the strategy that I'm thinking is take some profit at 6,000. I will probably do that. I'm not going to do it right away. I'm going to continue to watch this probably until later at night before I go to sleep. But my strategy would be sell a percentage, take some profit at 6,000. I would set an automatic sell for 6,000, but only a percent, of course, not sell everything. And then if it goes down to 5,600, I'm not buying here, because there's not it's not enough percentage here. It's only 6%. It's only 6% difference from here to here, so for me it's not worth to buy this dip. It's not deep enough. I would only buy a little bit if it goes to the next one here. That would be for an 11% difference, or almost 12%. So I would for sure buy a little bit, only a little bit, at 5,400 if it goes that low. And then if it continues to go down, I would buy again at 4,000 at the top for 5,000 if it goes that low. I don't think it's gonna go that low. So say if it bounces in this first one, I sold to get some profit here. If it bounces here and I see a clear bounce likely to break out again, I would buy somewhere in the middle again before it breaks out. But if it continues to go down, I would buy only a little bit here. And if it, the reason I buy only a little bit is because if it continues to go down, I'm gonna buy double than I bought here in my next obvious support. I don't think it's gonna go that low, but you never know. But that's why you wanna start buying a small amounts. The higher we are, you buy a small, and then you increase your investment the lower you go. Because so if you buy a little bit here, say, to round it, say you buy 1 Bitcoin here, and then it continues to go down, then you buy 2 Bitcoins here. If it bounces here, say it doesn't need to go all the way down to your first buy. If it goes only halfway, you are already breaking even. So that's how you average the cost, and it's very important to do that. And the same way you do it when you sell in parts. You don't sell everything here, because there's the chance that it's not going to stop here and it's going to continue to go up. Then you don't want to sell everything, because you want to have some left, Bitcoin left, so that if it continues to go up, you're going to continue to make profit. And that's how you maximize your profits and minimize your risks. So that's my assessment for now. But of course, as I always say, expect me to change my mind at any minute. If you don't like it that I change my mind, then you can go watch other channels, because you really need to change your assessment as soon as the market condition changes, whenever is necessary, to maximize your profit and minimize your losses or your risks. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.